welcome back to my kitchen, that is V's Unique Kitchen. So today's our special recipe is chocolatey Oreo cake. So today I'll show you how to bake such a beautiful cake at home. So let's get started. To make chocolate Oreo cake, we would require few chocolates, powdered sugar, baking powder, whipped cream, 2 packs of Oreo, 200 ml of milk. So let's get started. So now we'll separate the cream from the Oreo. So this way. Gently separate it. Make sure that you don't break the cream. Crush the biscuits well. Add warm milk to the mixture. Mix the Oreo biscuits. Add a little powdered sugar. Mix it well. The consistency of our cake batter should be this. So now we'll melt our dairy milk to our chocolate batter. Take a baking mold or any such container. Grease it with the butter. Place the butter paper. We'll pour our chocolate mixture into it. Just this way. So we'll place our chocolatey mixture in the cooker, just this way, and cook it for approx 40 to 45 minutes. Our cake is ready. After 40 to 45 minutes, just check it with the toothpick whether it's sticking or not. So let it cool down for some time. Mold our cake. So our Oreo cake is. I will do icing to our cake and make it something beautiful. Now with the heart-shaped paper cutting, we would decorate our cake using sugar powder. So let's see. Sprinkle. Now we'll grade our chocolates. This. So with the Oreo cream, we'll make a flower and place it here. Just like this, and we'll place our chocolate. A yummy cake is ready to eat. As you can see, looks yummy.